going to have a lovely coffee, and as it's the season of winter Christmassy time now, I just love these toffee nut lattes from Starbucks. I don't know what it is, I'm not a coffee drinker, but I'm obsessed with these drinks. So I'm just gonna have a lovely, nice, warm coffee. Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and yes, I'm going to attempt to be doing the reindeer. I said I was going to do this one. I know I said I was going to do a video after the gingerbread house, but we're going to do it now. So let's open this up and I'm going to show you what you get inside. Okay. Whoa. Much heavier than the last one. Don't know if you can see down there we go. Right, so as you can see, I hope that none of them are, they do look broke. Some bits are looking broken, so okay, let's get it open. Okay, so we've got that bit of the reindeer and we've got this. So the reindeers are looking like that. And oh god, reindeer number 2 is a little bit broken, so yeah, that's the only thing with things like this. Expect so that you will have broken pieces, especially if you get it delivered, which I did from Amazon. So okay, let's see what other damage we have. Okay, so that one's intact, so at least we've got one piece. And then we've got the antlers there, as you can see. So I think, well, 2 perfect ones. I'm just going to take all the best bits, the best ones, and I'll do that. And the bits that are broken, then I'll just leave those. So we have 1 tacked legs, and all the others have pieces missing. So I'll just use the one that's, I think that goes, nope. We'll find it because they're all over the place. No, it's not that one. Maybe it's, don't know which one it is, but I'll find one anyway that we can use. And what's underneath? Oh, this is where we will be using this as the base, and the other one is broken, so we'll use that one. So okay, we're going to do one for this video because there's a lot of damage, which I didn't realise. So let's just, damaging it even more. Let's just get all the best ones and we can make our reindeer. And let's see what we get here. So I've actually got some buttons in this. Looks like dark chocolate buttons for the discs. And then we've got these sugar sprinkles. These look really nice. They're like little snowflakes. Look at how pretty they are. Nice in a light blue colour. They've actually given you, I think this is where, right, this is where you put your icing. So this is a little bit different to the other one. And okay, so you're going to have to do it yourself because they actually give you the sugar powder in here. Right, got that. Okay, we'll put that to one side. First of all, I want to see how I'm going to put this deer together. Let's go with this. So we're going to need some legs. Before we begin, I'd just like to say I actually did go to Sainsbury's and I saw this icing pack here, and I just thought to myself, if I did need to do any decorations of my own, then I've got this as well, and these are great because you've got more control with these. So I've got those as extra, and you can see that there are some great festive colours, the red, the green.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close.
Okay, so I didn't want to mess with any of the icing today with this one, because I just thought I'm going to ruin it. So I just used the my own icing, actually. So I find it a lot better, and not only that, it tastes a lot nicer as well. So I'm just going to do this gently because it keeps moving all the time. Come on. All right, and I just want to get the nose on. You have to be very gentle with this, and you have to have a lot of patience. I'm just going to put a bit of icing on that and get his nose on. It's going to come off because it's not set. And I did my antlers here, and I'm going to put them on. Whoa. So here it is. This is the reindeer. And this is my decor. Obviously, you can do what you like. You can add what you like. But yeah, I've just used my icing that I got from... oh, he's got a nose even when the button came off. But yeah, that's what I've done, and I think it looks really, really nice. And just to say that if you was to get something like this, I think it would look really nice on the table. The only downfall that I can say, I'll put a link down below, obviously, for this set. When you get it in the post, it could get damaged. Like this one's in pieces. I'm surprised this one's intact, actually. But yeah, that's the only downfall. But before I end it, this is definitely not going to go to waste, so we'll see what we can do with that.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas. A winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares.
So there you go. I said it wouldn't go to waste, and there is the snow. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely leave a link down below. Check the description box, and yeah, I'm sure you can do much better than me and be as creative as you can. This is what I had to deal with, and I didn't know that you had to make your own sugar powder. I actually thought they'd give it to you in a tube, so my fault for not buying another white one. But yeah, reindeer's nose is coming off, but yeah, I really like it. And even if it does, I've just got the black icing on there, and it looks like a nose anyway, so I'm really happy with it. And yeah, oh, there you go. Reindeer wants a rest now, so I think that ends this video here. Yeah, so just before I go, have a Merry Christmas, everybody. Stay safe and have a fun and enjoy your festivities however you want to spend it. And yeah, I hope to see you all again for some more fabulous ideas after Christmas. Stay stay safe, take care, see you all again in another video.
To the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle.